Kraftshala has to be the greatest decisions of my life because that's what made me independent, made me pay my expenses and being what I am right now and doing what I'm doing. Hi, my name is Vidisha Lad. I am from MLP 10 Kraftshala and now I have joined Performics as a SEO analyst. I was doing my PGDM in marketing where I got introduced to this world of digital marketing, which was really very new for me. And that happened because of the internship that I was doing during that course. So there I got to learn some things, but I couldn't explore that more. One of my ex-faculty who recommended me Kraftshala in ITM, he used to teach us digital marketing over there. So that's how I got introduced to first digital marketing, and then when I was searching for some jobs, he just recommended me about Kraftshala. When I googled about Kraftshala, I found out that they have this expansive and amazingly put curriculum out there. So well structured that personally it appealed to me because I'm really very well organized in my work and everything that I do. I think that factor really mattered to me the most. Second thing is that the 4.5 lakh package that they were offering for freshers, who I don't think anyone offers in the industry. So yeah, that was really a big hook for me. When Performics came as a part of our placement process, I remember it was so super fast that it really happened in 2 days' time. Like, I've never seen such a super fast placement process. Until then, I was like waiting for 1 to 2 months for my placement to happen. And when Performics came, it was so easy and breezy. I couldn't believe myself that I actually got placed in 2 days' time. Like, it was so easy and nice. My experience with the course has been so amazing. I mean, we were supposed to sit for 10 to 12 hours a day. It was such a rigorous schedule. I wasn't so much busy in my entire life. I had to sit for 10 to 12 hours a day, and that's not an easy job. I'm much more in a comfortable space right now than I was in Kraftshala, I would really say that. Kraftshala gave us that edge, to me especially, I would say. What I was and what I am now has a great difference. I think Kraftshala has to be the greatest decisions of my life because that's what made me independent, made me pay my expenses and being what I am right now and doing what I'm doing. My advice will be pursue Kraftshala, enroll yourselves into Kraftshala. The people around you will just see the change once you through this journey and you understand how everything works. You will be like smoothly transitioned into your career once you be a part of this journey.